Hi, I want to go over the syllabus with you. This is Math 120, College Math. This is the syllabus for Spring 2014. My name is Jeff Downs. Email address downs@wnc.edu or jeffrey.downs will get you there too. There's my home page. You can find lots of notes there. Pinion F1 in Fallon is my office. My office phone number is 775-423-8330, extension 2251. Office hours are going to be Tuesday, Thursday, 2:15 to 4, and Friday from 11:30 to 1, or by appointment. So for this class, you need 96 or Math 95 with a B minus or better. Course description offers a course in real numbers, consumer mathematics, variation, functions, relations and graphs, geometry, measurement, probability, and statistics, sets, and logic. So we're going to really focus on probability, statistics, sets, logic, and then consumer math. So this course is broad in scope and emphasizes applications. Big part about this course. Topics will include probability, statistics, business, finance, and consumer math. So areas 1 and 2 make up approximately 2/3 of this semester. And then it's probability and statistics, business, finance, consumer math, and then the last part is going to be logic and sets. So transferability within Nevada schools. This course is designed to apply towards a WNC degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education, depending on the degree chosen and other courses completed. It may transfer to colleges and universities outside Nevada. For information about how this course can transfer and apply to your program of study, please contact a counselor. Linkage to the college mission: provide instruction that contributes to a student's ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically and apply computational skills. So the textbook we use is a Survey of Mathematics with Applications, 9th edition by Angel, Abbott, and Rund. You can just buy the book and My Math Lab together. There's ISBN. Or you can just buy My Math Lab. By My Math Lab, it'll give you an online book you can use. So all homework and exams are completed online in My Math Lab. So the textbook is required. You can get the paper or the online version. The calculator, a TI 83, 84, 89 is very helpful. I use the 89. I also use a TI 30X2S. It's a really good calculator. It's probably $10 to $15. Standard grading scale there. Midterm is 200 points. Quizzes 10 at 10 points each for 100 points. Homework 4 chapters at 50 points each, and discussions 10 postings at 10 points each. So you could do more than 10 postings, by the way, but you need 10 real postings to count for your grade. Quizzes, there'll be 11 quizzes. The top 10 count for the grade, and the final will be 1 at 200 points. So a total of 800 points. We have a midterm, which is going to be due March 11th, 2014, and it'll be conducted in My Math Lab. The midterm covers chapters 11 and 12. There'll be no makeup for missed midterms. And the quizzes, like I said, 11 quizzes. The top 10 will be counted for the grade. These are in Canvas. You'll see them in Canvas. The first one is due next Monday. Homework, 28 assignments over 4 chapters, so each chapter is worth 50 points. Homework will be completed through My Math Lab. To access this site, go to pearsonmylabmastering.com, or I just do mymathlab.com personally, and use the course ID Downs 52753. No late homework. For discussions, you must provide at least 10 postings in the discussion board. The postings must be substantive, and not simply say "I agree." You can either ask a question from our material, or you can answer someone else's question. Your first posting should be an introduction about yourself. Final exam is due May 13th, 2014. You'll complete the final exam in My Math Lab, and the final exam will cover chapters 13 and 3. Attendance. Students are not required to attend the weekly meetings, so I'll have a weekly meeting set up. That's going to be on Wednesdays from 10 to 11 a.m. Do not have to be there at all. You do not have to be there. Does not help or hurt your grade to be there. But if you have questions to ask, I can answer them there, work things out. The discussions grade is determined by the number of substantive posts in Canvas. I'll be checking posts in the introduction, homework discussions, and math jokes. You should keep pace with the class. You should be signing in every week, at least once a week. No cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. So here's this non-mandatory math meeting I told you about. I will hold weekly online meetings from 10 to 11 a.m. on Wednesdays to answer questions about the topics or homework questions from that week. Attendance is voluntary and will not affect your grade. If you cannot attend the meeting, please email me questions and I will either answer the questions in the meeting or make a YouTube video. No students can be present within 15 minutes of the scheduled start time while in the meeting. You can find a link to the meeting in the conference tabs on Canvas. Now, when attending the optional non-mandatory meeting live sessions, whatever you want to call them, please be polite and mute your microphone when you're not speaking. Background noises and echoes are distracting and interfere with the meeting. Early alert, please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. A counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. Grade appeals can be made to Scott Morrison. There's his email address. Disability statement: if you have a disability for which you will need to request accommodations, please contact Susan Trist, the coordinator for disability support services. There's her phone number and email address. Do it as soon as possible if you need some kind of accommodations. So there are the important dates for the semester. Schedule. This is our schedule. Probably going to keep to it pretty well. So today I'm giving you this little video. Put an intro about yourself. Look at sections 11.1 through 11.3, and next Monday is a quiz on 11.1 through 11.3. And then we have next week 11.4, 11.5, then the following week is a quiz on that, and so on. Work our way to a midterm, which is going to be due on March 11th before spring break. Then we go into Chapter 13 and Chapter 3. And we have our final exam on it's due on May 13th. And this last part tells you what the quizzes cover, which sections. Okay. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.